OpenCV interview questions and answers. Beginner means advanced. Introduction. OpenCV, Open Source Computer Vision Library, is an open-source computer vision and image processing library. OpenCV is widely used for current image processing, current computer vision, current facial recognition, current object detection, current video analysis, current AI applications. OpenCV provides check real-time image processing, check camera integration, check machine learning support, check cross-platform support, check optimized performance. 120. OpenCV Basics. What is OpenCV? Open Source Computer Vision and Image Processing Library. Why use OpenCV? Real-time processing, extensive algorithms, cross-platform support. What languages support OpenCV? Key Python, Key++, Key Java, common OpenCV use cases, Key face detection, Key object tracking, Key OCR, Key image filtering. Install OpenCV in Python, pip install OpenCV Python. Import OpenCV example, import CV2. Matrix of pixel values. What is pixel? Smallest unit of image. What is grayscale image? Single channel intensity image. What is RGB image? 3-channel color image. Read image example. img equals cv2.imread image.jpg. Display image example. cv2.imshow image img. Save image example. cv2.imewrite out.jpg. What is image resolution? Width and height of image. What is frame in video? Single image in video sequence. What is webcam capture? Cap equals cv2.video capture 0. Read video frame example. Ret frame equals cap.read. What is BGR format? Default OpenCV color format. What is cv2.wait key? Waits for keyboard input. Release camera example. Cap.release. 21 to 40. Image processing basics. What is image processing? Manipulating digital images algorithmically. cv2.resize image 200-200. What is cropping? Selecting image region. Crop example. Crop equals image 0-100, 0-100. What is image rotation? Rotating image by angle. cv2 flip, image 1. What is thresholding? Separating foreground, background. Threshold example. cv2 threshold, gray 127-255, 0. What is binary image? Image with only black-white pixels. Smoothing image noise. Blur example. cv2 Gaussian blur, image 550. What is Gaussian blur? Weighted smoothing filter. What is median blur? Noise reduction, preserving edges. What is edge detection? Detecting object boundaries. Canny edge detection example. cv2.canny im 100-200. What is contour? Boundary of detected shape. Find contours example. cv2.find contours. What is histogram? Distribution of pixel intensities. What is histogram equalization? Improving image contrast. Convert to grayscale example. cv2.cvt color image. cv2.color BGR to gray. 41 to 70 computer vision and object detection. What is computer vision? Enabling computers to interpret images, videos. Identifying important image points. Common feature detectors? Check. SIFT, SURF, ORB. What is ORB? Fast feature detector descriptor. What is key point? Distinctive image location. What is descriptor? Numeric representation of feature. What is template matching? Finding image regions matching template. Template matching example. cv2.match template. What is object detection? Identifying objects in images, videos. What is HAR cascade? Machine learning-based object detector. Face detection example. Face cascade detect multiscale. What is HOG detector? Histogram of oriented gradients detector. Real-time deep learning object detector. What is SSD detector? Single-shot multi-box detector. What is DNN module in OpenCV? Deep neural network integration module. What is image segmentation? Dividing image into regions. What is semantic segmentation? Pixel-level object classification. What is optical flow? Tracking object movement between frames. What is motion detection? Detecting movement in video. What is background subtraction? Separating moving foreground objects. What is object tracking? Following object across frames. Common tracking algorithms? Checkbox, KCF, CSRT, checkbox, MOSSE. Changing image viewpoint. What is affine transformation? Scaling, rotating, shearing transformation. What is morphology in OpenCV? Shape processing operations. Common morphology operations. Erosion, dilation, opening, closing. What is erosion? Shrinks foreground objects. What is dilation? Expands foreground objects. What is OCR? Optical character recognition. What is barcode QR detection? Reading encoded visual patterns. 71 to 100. Advanced OpenCV concepts. What is deep learning integration in OpenCV? Running neural network models inside OpenCV. What frameworks integrate with OpenCV? Canon TensorFlow, PyTorch, Onyx. What is Onyx? Open Neural Network Exchange Format. What is camera calibration? Correcting camera distortions. What is lens distortion? Warping caused by camera lens. What is stereo vision? Depth perception using two cameras. What is depth estimation? Determining object distance. What is SLAM? Simultaneous localization and mapping. What is augmented reality, AR? Overlaying digital content on real world. What is FPS? Frames per second processing speed. What affects OpenCV performance? Image size, algorithm complexity, hardware acceleration. Using GPU for faster processing. What is CUDA support in OpenCV? GPU accelerated OpenCV operations. What is multithreading in OpenCV? Parallel image video processing. Image resizing, avoiding copies, batch operations. What is image annotation? Drawing labels, shapes on image. Draw rectangle example. CV2.rectangle, image, 1010, 100 100, 0 255 0, 2. Draw text example. CV2.putText, image, hello, 1050, 01, 255 00, 2. Common OpenCV interview topics? Image processing, edge detection, edge object detection, contours transformations. Common OpenCV problems? Slow performance, noisy images, poor detection accuracy. Best practices in OpenCV? Sure, resize large images, pre-process images properly, use efficient algorithms. OpenCV versus PillPillow? OpenCV focuses on computer vision and performance. OpenCV versus TensorFlow? OpenCV handles vision image processing. TensorFlow focuses on deep learning. What is real-time processing challenge? Latency? Hardware limitations. What is pre-processing in computer vision? Preparing image before analysis. How improve object detection accuracy? Better lighting, pre-processing, higher quality models. How to become strong in OpenCV. Build vision projects. Practice video processing. Learn image transformations deeply. Biggest OpenCV interview concept? Efficient image and video processing for computer vision applications. Key OpenCV interview focus. Image processing, feature detection, object tracking, and real-time computer vision. Why is OpenCV popular? Powerful open source library with extensive real-time computer vision capabilities. Final summary. OpenCV interviews focus on image processing, object detection, feature extraction, contours and transformations, computer vision, deep learning integration, performance optimization. Key idea. Strong OpenCV developers understand image manipulation, feature extraction, object detection pipelines, and efficient real-time computer vision system design.